Hello students, in this video we will try to understand how to present data. We have calculated data, we know how to calculate data, we know the sampling methods, we know what are the variables. At the same time we have studied about different kinds of series. Okay, so today we will try to understand how to present the data. Now as an investigator I know that from whom I have collected data, what data I have collected from them, what are the objectives of my study, but when I need to convey it to somebody else, जब मुझे इसे किसी और को बताना है, समझाना है, मुझे एक मेथड चाहिए, एक प्रॉपर प्रेजेंटेशन चाहिए, so that I can show the data in such a manner that the person in front of me can understand the logic of the data properly. So there are different methods that how we can present the data. For example, textual presentation, tabular presentation and diagrammatic presentation. क्या क्या है? Textual presentation, tabular presentation and diagrammatic presentation. First of all, we will try to understand what is textual presentation. If I am saying that we are talking about 5 countries, that is USA, Canada, India, Brazil and United Kingdom. 5 countries हमने कौन कौन से लिए? USA, Canada, India, Brazil and United Kingdom. 5 countries we have taken. We will discuss about the employment rate of these countries. Okay, then I will say USA has got this much of employment opportunities, India has got this much of employment opportunities, Brazil is little bit of less than that, UK is little bit of more than that. I have given all the data to you in a sentence format, paragraph wise, sentence wise, with the help of text. I am giving you the whole data. पूरे पैराग्राफ में मैंने डाटा को अलग अलग सेंटेंसेस में लिख दिया है, ठीक है? Then that is known as textual presentation. When I am taking the help of language to present the data in form of sentence and paragraph, and I am including the mathematical data inside it, then that is known as textual presentation. Then there are different kind of tabular presentation. उसी चीज को मैं क्या करूंगी tabular presentation में? USA, India, Brazil, UK and Canada. ठीक है, मैंने ले लिया, यहाँ मैं डाटा लिख रही हूँ, 20% यहाँ पे है, 10% यहाँ पे है, 8% यहाँ पे है. इस तरह से मैंने पूरे डाटा को लिख दिया एक टेबुलर फॉर्मेट में. नेम ऑफ द कंट्री, परसेंटेज मैंने अलग से लिख दिया. So this is known as tabular data. The data which I represented with the help of text in a paragraph, the same data I can represent with the help of a table. So we can convert the textual data into tabular data. We can try to convert it into a textual format to a tabular format. So what is the benefit of tabular format? A table will always give us a quick glimpse of the facts. जब मैं पैराग्राफ में बोलूँगी India has got this much of employment opportunities, USA has got this much of employment opportunities, it is very difficult for you to understand and remember these things. But if I give a table, easily you can get the facts in your mind. It is very easy for you to understand the facts. That's why we mostly prefer tabular data rather than the textual data. Now the third one is diagrammatic representation. The same data I can put with the help of diagram. Yes or no? यहाँ पे मैं अलग अलग कंट्री USA, India, Brazil, UK and here I can write Canada. I can take the help of this kind of diagram or this kind of histogram and I can represent the data with the help of it. So diagrammatic data gives us a better pictorial representation to understand the whole concept. Okay, so that this is one diagram I have put, pie chart, histogram, line diagram. हर चीज में हम किसी डाटा को कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. Statistics deals with quantity and numbers. So it is very easy for us to convert the numbers into table, convert the numbers into diagrams. So डायग्राम्स में भी अलग अलग टाइप के डायग्राम्स होते हैं. सपोज यू आर वॉचिंग ए क्रिकेट मैच. ओके, 50 ओवर का क्रिकेट मैच है. 50 ओवर में हम देखते हैं कि एक लाइन डायग्राम के थ्रू हमें बताया जाता है कि श्रीलंका ने 50 ओवर में कहाँ कहाँ पे कितना कितना उसका स्कोर हुआ था. हम एक लाइन डायग्राम ड्रॉ करते हैं. जहाँ पे विकेट गिरता है वहाँ पे एक पॉइंट देके उसको सर्कल कर देते हैं. अगेन इंडिया का 20 ओवर्स हुआ है, वो श्रीलंका के ग्राफ के नीचे जा रहा है, ग्राफ के ऊपर जा रहा है, सो दैट इट विल बी इजी फॉर अस टू कंपेयर. सो हम like that we can make so many different kinds of diagrams. Diagrams helps us to analyze the trend, pattern and understand the condition of the scenario which we are studying. So we will read different types of diagrams also, but prior to that we will study about how to make a table, which will be there in the next video. So there are 3 ways of presentation of data. One is textual presentation, tabular presentation and diagrammatic presentation for class 11. We can go in depth into so many other subtypes of all these categories also. ठीक है? Thank you very much.